everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a haul here for you, and yeah, it's a Gold Paper Prints. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Chelsea. I am obsessed with Gold Paper Prints sticker shop. I am a PR girl for her. However, regardless of that, I loved it even before then. I even have an entire playlist dedicated to her shop. So I have 4 weekly kits here, plus add-ons. If you hear a little girl in the back, that is my daughter in the next room. But I have, 4 weekly kits with some add-ons. So let's get into it. First one I have is a new release. In fact, all of them except for one is a new release. Never before in her shop. So let's go ahead and start off with the add-ons. I'm not going to go through and tell you what's in each of the kits. Exactly the same. Difference is going to be color scheme and obviously the full boxes and washi. So for add-ons, I get the finance add-on. This I use in my monthly view just because they fit and why not. The functional icon add-on, I usually use not all of them, but it's worth it in case I decide to go back and do like, I don't know, what's left in my kits type of spread. I don't know. But yeah, that's her functional icon add-on. And then, of course, there are these, the half boxes and labels. If you've been following me a while, you know I have to have these with my kits. I just do. Right, and then her weekly kit is a 6-page. Let's see if I can get all these here. 6-page weekly kit. She just had a sale with TPC, the Planner Collaborative. She did 50% off. She will have new releases coming up in the next couple of weeks. She does new releases about every other week unless, you know, life happens, which is okay because her sales are totally worth waiting for regardless. So this one is Make Your Own Magic. So you have 9 full boxes. This one comes with 2 quotes. And then the headers today to do littles and then some blank ones, some littles, and some bill icon or bill due labels. The ombre heart checklist, there are 7 of those and 2 of the weekly. Plus you get this little washi right here. It is 3 boxes worth, so if you have a long weekend or something that's 3 days worth going on, or even just 2 days or 1, this is really good to help mark, even if you were to use this, like, I don't know, in your monthly view. And then you get 9 half boxes, 9 quarter boxes, and 3 8 boxes. You do get both solid and decorative or pattern, whatever you want to call it. And at the bottom you get 3 habit trackers and 3 half ombre heart check boxes. Then you get date covers with the date dots, a couple of little icons here, a few round icons here, and then a ton of scripts, weekly banner, and some more headers. And then you do get glitter headers as well, and then 3 pieces of washi right here and the bottom washi. I have a Recollections. If you're new, I used to do She Who Shall Not Be Named Anymore, Erin Condren, but now I have a Recollections, and this does fit just about perfectly because there are no stickers that are going to be perfect, in my opinion. So there's what 6 pages plus the add-ons are. And again, I just with every kit, this is Let It Snow. This is not a new one. This is just a re-release with her new format. So finance, functional, half box, full box, headers. Zoom me out just a little. Heart check boxes, half boxes, core boxes, whatnot, or more like a functional sheet, in my opinion. Header or date covers with headers and scripts, and bottom washi and glitter headers. These are faux glitter headers, but they are gorgeous. Next one is another new release. This one is Choose Joy. So again, I got the same 3 add-ons with the 6-page weekly kit. Financed, functional, half box, full box with a couple of quotes and then a couple of girls. Headers, littles, ombre heart check boxes with weekly tracker, functional sheet, date covers, scripts, headers, weekend banner, and washi. And then the last one I have is a Christmas one. This one is called December 25th. So again, I have 3 add-ons: finance, functional, half box. Here is the full boxes. So cute. And it's nice too, because even if you don't celebrate Christmas necessarily, it's not a full-blown like Christmas as much as it is just if you take that day to celebrate in some sort of way, even if it was like a birthday. It's perfect for more than just that, or if you're just going to use 8 boxes, that works too. Headers, littles, ombre check boxes, functional, date cover, scripts, and washi with glitter headers. So that is all 4 of my kits. Boom, boom, and boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay tuned for my next video. That will be something other than a plan with me, and that will be which kits I am using for November. Look forward to that towards the end of October. Right now it is mid-October. It is the 14th. So yeah, and this will be going up on a Thursday, so happy Thursday. And I believe new releases may or may not be up as well. So make sure to stay tuned because of my PR info down below so you can save 25% off until the sale. Also, don't forget to join the Facebook group, follow any of the other PR girls, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys.